Ramesh lived in a small rented room near the railway tracks. Every morning he woke up late, not because he was lazy, but because life had exhausted him. He worked as a helper in a warehouse. Long hours, low pay, no respect. At night, he would lie on his bed and think, why does nothing ever change for me? He had dreams once, but now even hope felt expensive. Ramesh believed one thing very strongly. Some people are just lucky. He saw others move ahead, better jobs, better clothes, better lives. They have connections, he thought. They were born lucky. Every failure made this belief stronger. He didn't know it yet, but this belief was keeping him poor. One morning, Ramesh missed his train. Again. Angry and tired, he sat on a bench near the platform. That's when he noticed an old man sitting calmly reading a book. It was barely 5 a.m. No phone, no rush, just silence. Ramesh asked, "Why are you awake so early?" The old man smiled.
"Because this hour belongs to me." Ramesh laughed. "What difference does waking early make? My problems won't disappear." The old man closed his book and said, "They won't, but you will change." He pointed at the empty platform. "Look around. This is the only time the world is quiet. No demands, no noise, no pressure." Ramesh felt something strange. Peace. That night, Ramesh couldn't sleep properly. The next morning, he forced himself to wake up at 5 a.m. His body resisted, his mind complained. What's the point? But he sat up anyway. The room was silent. The city was still asleep. For the first time in years, no one wanted anything from him. Ramesh didn't know what to do at 5 a.m., so he did something simple. He washed his face, sat quietly, and thought. No phone, no distractions, just him. He realized something painful. He never planned his life. He only reacted to it. The next day, he woke up again at 5 a.m. and again. Slowly, he added small things, reading 5 pages, learning one new skill, writing his thoughts. Nothing big. No one noticed. No results yet. But Ramesh felt different, calmer, clearer. Weeks passed. Ramesh was still poor. Same job, same salary. But now, he spoke with confidence. He learned faster. He stopped complaining. Because his day no longer controlled him. He controlled the start of his day. That changed everything. One day, a supervisor asked for help with a simple technical task. No one volunteered. Ramesh did, because he had been learning quietly at 5 a.m. He didn't do it perfectly, but he did it honestly. That was enough. Months later, Ramesh wasn't rich, but he was no longer stuck. Better responsibilities, more respect, clearer direction. One habit had changed him. Not waking early alone, but owning one quiet hour every day. Final message. The secret revealed. The secret of 5 a.m. is not success. It is control. When you control the first hour of your day, you slowly control your life. You don't need motivation. You need consistency. And it starts earlier than everyone else. Subscribe to Mindful Momentum for stories that don't shout, but change you quietly.